Hello users! In this video, we're going to show you how to create advanced logic questions using our assessment tool. Let's imagine we want to create a typical question where we add two fractions, making those fractions random so that students see different values each time they attempt the question. This option is easily available using random variables. As you can see here, we can generate random variables between 1 and 9 for the numerators, between 2 and 9 for the denominators, and the solution is the sum of the two fractions. This approach is correct and allows us to generate random questions, as you can see below. However, we may encounter cases where the fractions are not simplified or even share the same denominator. To avoid these situations, we can use algorithm mode. In other words, instead of generating random variables from this simple pop-up, we can use the algorithm mode to program them. In this case, we'll start by removing the example algorithm and defining the first numerator as a random value between 1 and 9. For the first denominator, we no longer have the same freedom as before, since we want to ensure that this first fraction is irreducible. So we'll start by generating a set of values between 2 and 9 that guarantee the greatest common divisor between variable number 1 and these values b are equal to 1. This way, if we pick a denominator randomly from this set, we ensure that the first fraction is irreducible. For the second fraction, we can do the same, starting with the second numerator. If we want, we can make the second denominator different from the first denominator, and then continue by generating another set following the same logic. We just need to add one additional condition, which is that this value must be different from the denominator we found earlier. We then select this second denominator as a random value from D, and now we have all the ingredients needed to calculate our solution. We save the changes, and we can preview the question again, ensuring it generates irreducible fractions with different denominators. Thanks for watching!